How to enter Cash App referral code. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enter Cash App referral code. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app just like you can see here. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, the one we need today is this one here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App application. Here, you will find several options that can help you navigate and get access to different features of the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to the bottom of the page just like you can see here. Here at the bottom, there are various other options, as you can see. From them, make sure you tap this option here named Enter Referral Code. After tapping on it, this other page will load. On this page, you will see this text field where you are supposed to enter the referral code you have. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, tap here, Next. After that, the code will be used. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to enter Cash App referral code.